Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, we're going to start day number 2 of trying to get the garage shop redone, basically. So, here's the deal. We got the cabinets out of this one area in the last video. We have the concrete border underneath, so we're going to start by trying to get that out with a sledgehammer, break that up, and then try to get some more cabinets out after that. But with that in mind, let's start breaking stuff. Okay, so here's where I already knocked it clean. So you can see that it didn't actually connect to the rest of the concrete. They didn't try to rebar it or anything special. So it really just broke off with a few swings. Now, that's good because it's clean. Kind of makes me wonder why they didn't do it a different way. But anyway, we're going to go ahead, break the rest of this one off. And then this whole area will be clean so I can use the floor space again and not have to worry about hitting this. Okay, knocked it all out. Now we're just going to clean it up so we get floor space back. Eventually we're going to have to pry off the wall, see if there's insulation. I don't think there is. So I'm not sure when we'll be able to do electrical or anything else to the garage, like insulation and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do is get the garage to be usable. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wood rack up so I can get that off the floor, take the rest of the cabinets down, put tools where they're going to go, hopefully, and then at least get this to be usable for the next month or so until I can get the electrician figured out and everything else figured out. So we're going to go ahead and hang up the wood rack and then go from there. Not the first time, definitely the last time. Okay, so we have the wood rack up, and we're going to put all of the wood that I have onto it. So I'm going to go ahead and time lapse that because it's going to take a while and it's going to be boring. And then move some tools into place, try to get this little bay of the garage figured out so that I can start freeing up space elsewhere. So we're going to go start doing that part of it and see how it goes. All right, we got all of the wood onto the wood rack. This is pretty much all I can fit. Now, I'm gonna put some tools next to it, underneath of it, try to clear up some space in the garage so that I have room to move around. Right now, I don't really have any room to move around. So I'll be putting some of the tools next to this wood rack as well as underneath of it, and then getting it a little bit more situated to be able to work on projects and be able to actually access the tools. So with that in mind, now it's time to move some of those into place. All right, now that the tool wall is there, we actually have cabinets behind me here. So this one was actually already kind of taken out off camera. So we're gonna try to clear those out, get the platform they're sitting on out of here. That may be as far as we get tonight. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of here to make more room, more floor space, and hopefully get to have a usable shop, at least for now. So let's go ahead and rip those two out and make some room. Okay, much like the other side, this side had a platform as well. Now this one's not concrete, so we should just be able to unscrew it and get it out of here. So we're gonna go ahead, take that out, roll the toolbox into its place, and probably be done for the night. So let's go ahead and rip out platform number 2. Here. So we got the cabinets out, we got the platform out, going to put the toolbox where all of that was, and then probably wrap up for tonight, maybe do a little bit tomorrow, but at least now we have some room to walk. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull the toolbox back in, set the tools back up that we had to move, and then call it a night. All right, so the toolbox is in place. We're gonna wrap up for the night, move stuff back in, try to get some of these other cabinets off the wall tomorrow. But that's it for tonight. So we'll see what we get to tomorrow. But let's go to day, I don't know, 3, which is actually like week 3 as well. So see you tomorrow. All right, so the last part of this video, we're going to take down these cabinets, get them out of the way. That way the rest of the shop can start to get set up, move cabinets into place. Probably won't film part of that, just get it done. And then I'll kind of show you what it looks like later on in a different video. But for now, let's get these off the wall and then wrap this up. All right, we got all the cabinets except for one, and it's because there is a water line coming down this side and an outlet in the middle that we have to disconnect. I don't have time to do it tonight, so I'm going to just do it off camera and then get this spot ready to go. The rest of the cabinets are out. The walls are at least usable for now, so we can get the shop set up so I can work again and then go from there. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Again, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you know when I come out with new videos. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.